Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to crop PDF pages in Bluebeam Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open your PDF file. You can see we have a 2-page PDF document opened in Revu. Now go to the Document menu and click the Crop Pages option. We are using Bluebeam Revu Complete, which allows batch processing to crop multiple pages from multiple documents. In the Files section, you can add multiple files and include custom, even, odd, landscape, or portrait pages from your opened files for batch processing. If you select Custom Range, you can enter the range separated by a dash and add discrete pages or ranges separated by a comma. Since it's a 2-page document, we cannot add multiple ranges. Let's include all pages for now. Once you are done, click the Next button below. A Crop and Page Setup dialog box will appear. Maximize it for better visibility. On the right, you will have a Page Preview section where you can see the area of the page you are cropping. On the left, increase the margins to crop off unwanted portions of the page. As you can see, when we increase the top and bottom margins, the same is reflected in the preview window. The more efficient way to do this is to click the Get Window button to make a selection. Click and drag to select the portion of the PDF page you want to keep after cropping. Once you release your click, it will automatically start reflecting in the preview window. The page margins will be adjusted accordingly. Once you are done, click OK. The crop function will apply to all your selected pages. Don't forget to watch our other videos on document management in Revu 21. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.